Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Blood clot plate and cup. Your body wall is a washy blood clot machine. And it's soon a shit house. If you know, nothing can blood clot help you. You know, see what you turn to. Use a pantry body, man. You walk from pantry to blood clot pantry. And get the outdated blood clot food them. And when your house full up of blood clot cockroach, you ball out and talk about say, Lord, people will me I set roach for me. And the old blood clot, Fowlie and have no blood clot name. More than everybody know you in Brooklyn as a nasty walker. Name suck batty man stinking Fowlie. You think that you're my birthday? Fowlie, let me tell you this. You see like how you send for me? Me I go back in that blood clot now, pussy. You understand? Come and tell you something. Never you be a bad man and put on your blood clot gun. Cause then time there's some idiot come kill you. Nasty Fowlie. Tomorrow me I carry a cotton. Me I bring one of the cone them. The orange and black blood clot cone them on my back. And me I go look for your blood clot anyway you're there in a dance hall. And use it stuff up your body hole. Rotten Fowlie. Dead Fowlie. Stinking Fowlie. Nasty Fowlie. You can't class me Fowlie. Fowlie me come America with a blood clot husband. Me no walk and fuck like dog. And me no walk and breed like blood clot guinea chicken. If you say you did give me a little boy and a little girl something, I did touch them pan them blood clot and stinking boy, how it go? Eh? Me see you come out with some blood clot, no name blood clot, papa of color blood clot girl. Them girl they can't talk to me. Them no name papa of color blood clot girl they can't talk to me. Them have to see me in a real life and want to be blood clot me. You understand? Fowlie, how it go? Eh? Fowlie, I live off from a blood clot tax-paying money. And want come look problem with me? Fowlie, I live off from a blood clot money. When I work, I eat a buy medication for your blood clot, pussy clot, dirty rotten blood clot. I eat a give food stamp. I eat a pay your blood clot rent. And you want come argue with me, Fowlie? Dirty stinking nasty Fowlie. Germ carrier, you have all of the disease in the blood clot dictionary. Fowlie, you have all of the blood clot disease in the Bible. Fowlie, you have everything we sin against Christ. Fowlie, God made the Bible and him say Adam and blood clot Eve. And you go fuck blood clot Steve. And you come looking argument with me? Eh? Drunk her. How me are you getting at this? You know, see me not paying a blood clot mine. Shit house paper, you know, see me not paying a mine. Eh? Dirty stinking Fowlie, you know, say me not paying a mine. Me not paying a mine, come in a one paying a mine. Every time you jump on a lab with some blood clot, no name, so cocky, deep throat blood clot, girl. You depend down. Come off from a blood clot name. Come off from it, Fowlie. I don't want your blood clot, send me to prison now. Pussy, you think you can't lick me and stay in a Brooklyn? Pussy, everywhere you go, with the back of you. Pussy don't watch you, say old man, blood clot, Batman, great tone, blood clot, patch with the jokey blood clot face. Bring her back and lick me, I can't find him. Fowlie, if me a pre-wicked blood clotness, we chop off that head and kill that already. You hear pussy, I name you want to go a priest, eh? Eh? You come talk about Dan live in a Vanderveer. Me live nice now, blood clot in a Vanderveer. Ask me blood clot. Any of them who used to come to my blood clot house. A 2 fridge in my blood clot house. Blood clot house. And none of them no belongs to Vanderveer and them always blood clot full. Nasty Fowlie, you see me ever beg anything yet? You talk about me send $20 come here. You understand? You beg me a blood clot lunch. I must give you $20. What you want me did for pay for your prescription? Your medication? $100 you did want for what? Dog shit. Eh? For what? Me no work at Kings County. And at Kings County me work. Me no work at Dead House. Eh? I'm to the batty boy, yeah, man. When I love to people and fuck with, let me tell you something, Fowlie. It's on. Me done talk. Me I go in my house. It's on. I don't even want my husband hear me in this again. It blood clot on. So you can run out your stinking mouth. Fowlie ever see me in a party yet and I smell of shit? Fowlie enough time you're there in a party and you think of shit now blood clot. Like you just don't sell a fuck. And you plastic bag up your body hole. Yeah? You know, so everybody always a come when we hear you, we're gone far from you. Nasty Fowlie, it go. Eh? Fowlie, it's blood clot on. I see, listen to this. Me I go left this from my blood clot page so you can blood clot. See it? You understand? Anybody can take it off on you. Because it's on a blood clot like when you turn on the street light and it now come out till the next morning. Me and you. Me never know where blood clot me never know where blood clot Joanna go. Where Joanna go? Me don't know where Joanna go. Joanna, you all your face favor them rotten blood clot rats. All woman, when you move your blood clot and go, in you buy fuck through phone. When you go on your blood clot business and allow me, I me kill your mama, I make your mama dead and you're not attack. Eh? Cause stand up here, car. My husband I got me married. I mean make your mama not attack and your mama dead. I mean make your blood clot place where you're growing and take away. Eh, for water rate. All dirty drunk, dirty Joan. Joan Masters, are you me attack? Since you don't want to start it back, we go in at it. You understand? And don't call my blood clot phone, come here, tell us how we are going to start it back. It starts as of tomorrow. I'm showing you something.